Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a time when you had a problem with using the computer. Please, you can start.
There were a lot of times when I had faced a problem related to the computer. In last year, I was doing my research work, and suddenly my the MS Word stopped responding, and I was so confused and nervous about it because I had to submit my research work as the one day is left now left and I have contacted my best friend to cope so that she suggested me some ideas or solutions regarding it. She suggested me to update MS Word. I did it, but it was the failed attempt to do so. I have my father came home at late night. I told my father about this problem. He took my computer to the computer repair shop where the technician evaluated the problem, and he suggested me that there was a problem in cleaning up the storage, and there was a lot of unused and unused files which was taking a lot of space, and there was also the problem of the failed product activation key. He resolved it, and then later I have learned how to cleaned up my computer always before my work. So finally I was able to submit my research work at that time.
Okay, thank you. Overall, it is good, but try to speak in a way that you are conversing. Okay, not just like, you are talking, looking like this, talking. So you need to have a conversational style. It will be better. Okay?
Okay.
Now, overall, it's good. You spoke for 1 minute and 50 seconds. Let's move on to speaking part 3. What do people use computers for?
People usually use computers for studying, playing games, and online work. They have to do for
Okay,
this
this answer is
purpose.
extremely short for part 3. There should be at least 5 to 6 sentences in your
Like
answer.
introduction.
Yes, in part 3 also, there should be 5 to 6 sentences.
Okay.
Let's go on. Should students be allowed to use computers at school?
Yes, I think students
Should be allowed.
should be allowed to use computers because they can benefit of of getting a lot of information about their topics they have studied in class,
They
and
are studying in class.
they are studying in class, and moreover they can learn new courses from related to their previous work
Okay,
assignments.
so you need to brush up your basic English grammar. There are mistakes in that as well, right? Thank you so much.